Hello, welcome back to yet another edition of Learn Luganda here at Learn Luganda YouTube channel. My name is Kabugo Peter. Nkwaniriza nnyo ku kitundu ekirala oba ku video yaffe endala ey'okusoma n'okuyiga ebikwata ku Luganda mutuyigira Oluganda mu ngeri ennyangu ennyo. Amanya gange nze Kabugo Peter era tugenda kusimbulirawo mu video eno. Olunaku olwaleero tugenda kutunuulira ebyokulya. Tugenda kutunuulira ebyokulya n'ebintu ebyetoolodde ebitambula n'okulya. In this video, we are going to look at things that we eat. How are they called in both English and Luganda? Things we eat and all those things which are in line with eating. Okay, so watch this video to the final so that you can learn things in Luganda. We have many things in Luganda which can be translated in English, but don't forget that we are sponsored by Kathleen Home and Interiors UG. As you can see there down on our video, you can reach them and get to whatever you feel like you want in interior designing. So let's get started. When you talk about eating, we have specific things we'll be talking about. Now, these are the things you need to learn in Luganda which are in line with eatables and eatings. Number one, breakfast. Breakfast is a chencha. That meal we have in the morning. It's called breakfast. In Luganda we say a chencha. Lunch. Lunch, we call it echemisana. Echemisana. Dinner. Dinner is echeggulo. Echeggulo. We have snacks. Snacks. It is obumpwanchi. Snacks, obumpwanchi. We have food. Food is emmere. Emmere. Meat, ennyama. Ennyama. Beef, ennyama y'ente. Ennyama y'ente. Chicken, ennyama y'enkoko. Mutton, ennyama y'endiga. Now, to make these things simple for you, let me simplify it for you. In Luganda, whatever meat is ennyama. Ennyama. But now, if we want to be specific to specify from which animal was this meat got from, now we add the name of that animal or where we got that meat from. For example, ennyama y'ente, it is that meat that we get from a cow. Ennyama y'ente. Ennyama y'embuzi, it is that meat that we get from a goat. Ennyama y'embizzi, it is that meat that we get from pig, that is pork. Ennyama ya any animal, you say ennyama and then you mention the animal where you got that meat from, be it wild animal or domestic animal. I hope there I'm very, very clear. Now, we have eggs. Eggs are amagi. Egg, it is a G when it is one, a G. When there are many, amagi. We have liver, ekibumba. Ekibumba. When there are many, we say ebibumba. Ebibumba. Fish, ekyennyanja. Ekyennyanja. In saying ekyennyanja, I mean tilapia, I mean Nile perch, I mean silverfish, whatever. As long as it is from the fish, the lake, it is ekyennyanja. And then here we say tilapia, engege, Nile perch, emputa, etc, etc. But in general we say fish, ekyennyanja. When there are many, we say ebyennyanja. Ebyennyanja. We have vegetables. Vegetables. Enva endiirwa. Enva endiirwa. We have yogurt. Yogurt. Yogurt is bongo. Bongo. We have cheese. Cheese is omuzigo gw'ente. We have bread. Bread is omugaati. When there are many, we say emigaati. Rice. Rice is omuccere. Omuccere. We have fried rice. No. We have fried rice. It is omuccere omusiike. Omuccere omusiike. Then we have pancakes. Pancakes. Kabalagala. Now, here, if it is one, we say kabalagala. If there are many, we say kabalagala. So, you don't need to bother yourself knowing whether there are many or it is one. So, pancake, it is kabalagala. We have sugar or sugar. Sugar is sukari. Sukari. We have salt. Omunnyo. Omunnyo. We have beans. Beans, ebijanjaalo. Ebijanjaalo. When it is one, we say ekijanjaalo. Ekijanjaalo. Now we have tomatoes. Tomatoes. That is ennyanya. Ennyanya. Even if it is one, ennyanya. When there are many, ennyanya. We have onions. Onions. Obutungulu. Obutungulu. When it is one, it is akatungulu. Akatungulu. That is when it is one. Now, to gain and learn more with these videos, you have to watch this video, the entire video, and then you rewatch it again, because by the end of this video, chances are high that you'll forget what I said earlier. Now, what you have to do is to rewatch the video when you're noting down. The good thing, whatever I say, I write it down and you see it on the screen. Okay? Bw'omala okulaba video eno, it is better you go back and you rewatch it, so that you can get the value of watching this video and over. Now, let's get some self-tests to see what I've gained from this video. If I say onions, how can you say that in Luganda? Onions. How about salt? How about soup? Okay, tell me how about food and vegetables? How about lunch? How about yogurt? How about pork? How about bread? Okay, snacks. Okay, ekibumba in English. Ekibumba. Ekyenkya. Ekyenkya. Ennyama. Ennyama. Beef. Beef. Ekyennyanja. Okay, that is for today. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Kabugo Peter. Always subscribe to this YouTube channel and learn more. Don't forget to hit that bell and then smash the like button. My name is Kabugo Peter. Thank you for watching. Ssaabasajja Kabaka awangaale. What I mean that it is long live our king. God bless you.